everybody, welcome to my channel, Izzi OMG. Today we are reading a book from a website, Storyberries.com. Thanks, Storyberries.com. Today's story is Bastien's Apple Salad by Jade Maitre. So let's get started. Bastien loves cooking. There's nothing he won't make. He whips up cereal al dente and egg and orange cake. Battered yogurt, I think. Chocolate studded ham. And curd cheese. Julienne bananas, pancakes, pan-fried sausages, if you please. When avocados are going old, he whips up guacamole. When tomatoes come back from the shop, there's suddenly salad. Holy moly. Impossible to have a kitchen even slightly tidy looking. His parents moan and groan because he's always cooking. And one day after school, Bastien announces with delight, "It's time for apple salad, guys. Just wait till you have a bite." Into the sink the apples go, all 142 of them. He chops into a stack of them and peels only a few of them. Some are cored, others diced, and some are made all twirly. He throws his head back with delight. Just wait till you try them, Curly. Into a bowl the apples go. Cut every which way once. He drizzles apple juice over them. And then he serves them hot. Mum, Dad, Nan, and both the brothers tried the new delight. It's delicious. Scrumdiddly dumpily every single bite. They all agree. They'd eat the whole bowl solo if they could. It's really very lucky that apples taste so good. The end. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, hit a big thumbs up, and we'll see you later. Bye.